Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. My name is Sadraza. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. Today, my topic is about the importance of CPEC. CPEC, China Pakistan Economic Corridor, is actually the group of mega projects or infrastructures that built in uh, Pakistan with the help of or with the collaboration of Chinese government or Chinese businessmen or Chinese companies, because all of them include directly or indirectly in CPEC. China spend a large amount of money in shipping when they trade with the European countries and Gulf countries and other countries. So they want to use the Pakistani seaport Gwadar to trade their import exports with European countries and Gulf countries and other countries, because these countries are too far from the Chinese land. So they built a one belt road from which connect the China to Gwadar seaport. It's Gwadar seaports. So and it is it is also beneficial for China, but it's also beneficial for Pakistan, because Pakistan costs our money for the use of their roads, and beside this, China is also building many companies there, textile industry and steel industry and such like many other industries. This will take an initiative of other businessmen to invest in Pakistan. This will also increase the GDP of Pakistan. This is financially very beneficial for Pakistan. And one thing I want to add, that Pakistan also add many transportation reforms in Pakistan in CPEC, and include in CPEC, as we see the Orange Line train and such like, same as Green Line train, Blue Line train in Pakistan. That's are include in CPEC. So CPEC involved in many fields, and it is beneficial for Pakistan economy, because that's and beneficial for Pakistani people. They will do job there. They will it will create a many jobs for Pakistani people, and it is very beneficial for Pakistan, and also beneficial for China. And although many other countries like India and America do not want this agreement, because they think China and Pakistan both will strong by this project. But this project will improve the Pakistan economy and Pakistan future. So uh, this will improve Pakistan future. So goodbye. Pakistan Zindabad. Pak Army Paindabad.
Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. My name is Ayaz Ahmed and I'm from Gujranwala. So, gentlemen, today we are going to talk about today's topic, which is the importance of CPEC for the Pakistan. CPEC is basically an economic deal between the Pakistan and China, and through the CPEC, China invested a big amount for a lot of projects in the Pakistan. For example, there are a lot of road projects. Gwadar motorway is one of from these projects, and then some railway projects. A railway project from Peshawar to Karachi, and then some electricity projects. Recently, Canop 2, which is located in the Karachi, is also one of these projects. And then to build some economic corridors, economic zones in the country for the industrial production. And through the CPEC, the local people of the Pakistan, especially the local people of the Balochistan, are getting opportunities. They are getting opportunities of the employment, which was the basic need, the most important need of them. And no, the most important thing of the CPEC is the Gwadar port. And no, nowadays we know this, that Gwadar is no not a bilateral project. No, Gwadar has become an international project, because Russia recently showed its intention to invest in the projects of the CPEC, especially in the Gwadar port, and Saudi Arabia invested almost $8 billion to make an oil refinery at the Gwadar port. And obviously, CPEC will change the situation, the scenario, and CPEC will bring the progress in the Balochistan especially. And obviously, the progress of the country, the progress of Pakistan is related with the progress of the Balochistan, because Pakistan has lot of difficulties concerned with Balochistan, educational problems, health problems, construction problems, lackness of opportunities of employment. So all these things, all these problems, inshallah, these problems will be solved through the CPEC, and CPEC will bring the progress, the prosperity in the country. And CPEC.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Wahab and I am from Karachi. Today the presentation topic about the discussion the importance of CPEC. Importance of CPEC has its own the importance of Pakistan. On the other hand, the development of the progressive Pakistan economic corridor projects will be completed. Then the economic corridor cycle of Pakistan will start it from moving at maximum speed. For the package that consists of the information will be a project and the project of work. It is dedicated and fixed towards establishing and creating the also power and energy and also power projects of Pakistan. It is because of the CPEC that we will be able to improve and energy and supply to manufacturing, textile and manufacturing. This CPEC will be creation and make at least and about 7 lakh direct jobs. It is reported that the projects will be gets complete on the time. Then the real estate industry will to get a benefit. This CPEC is blessing for us because it can will be catalyst the performance of Pakistan. Last, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Khuda Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Samil Hassan. CPEC is a route map that provides route to China to the Gwadar port in Balochistan. Through CPEC, China is working in different projects and different fields in Pakistan. Major projects include the construction of roads and motorways, and the construction and expansion of Gwadar port and international airport and hospital in Gwadar. Also, it also includes the production of electricity through coal power plants and the solar systems and hydroelectric power plants. The projects that have been delayed for many years in Pakistan due to the financial problems are again started by CPEC authorities. That is also a big advantage. According to my view, there are the two basic problems of Pakistan. One is unemployment and other is electricity production. CPEC also provides a large amount of the job opportunities to Pakistanis. So the problem of unemployment is also solved to some extent. As we know that the after agriculture, most important economic sector of Pakistan is industry that is run by electricity. Thus, the problem of electricity will also be solved by CPEC. Internationally, image of Pakistan will become better from the present one, and Pakistan will grow more and will become more strong economically. That is also an advantage. As we know that the agriculture is the important economic sector of Pakistan, China is also working in agriculture sector and is a developed country. We must learn from their experience and their education system and use it for the development and progress of our country. Thank you.